I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means. I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are.
So I decided to do a little tutorial on the 300. I'm basically gonna be putting a
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm basically gonna be putting the Wraith headliner inside of my 300. You know, it's a project. Purchased it for $800. I'm going to be just basically just doing a lot of little stuff to it. You know, it's going to be for sale, but I'm just basically doing a lot of little stuff to it. So I've never removed the headliner out. So we'll put the stars in the roof. You know, it has the sunroof, so I don't know how I'm going to do this. It's probably going to be, I don't know. Like, this part slides. It's going to be kind of difficult. You know, if you just got a little light. It's going to be kind of difficult, you know. But, wow, it's really bright. But, yeah. So, we'll be doing step by step. Yeah, right. You're gonna need. I purchased a kit from AutoZone, which is security bit set. Comes with this because they're like all stars. I have my drill. You're gonna need a drill. I looked at a couple tutorials on YouTube about putting this the star liner headliner in there. And I said you're gonna have to drill some holes in there. There's a project. You know, basically that's all I got right here. If I need any other tools, I'll add it on in the video. But I think this just comes down. Yeah. Yes, sir. Reverse. Slide that right over there. Okay.
It's Ricky Rick on the beat. It's Ricky Rick on the beat.
Never thought that the kid could shine so bright. Down on my knees, I used to pray at night. Graveyard shift, I used to grind at night. Then they bought the cold and I used to lock inside. Never thought that the kid could shine so bright. Down on my knees, I used to pray at night. Graveyard Graveyard shift, I used to grind at night. Man, they bought the cold in, I used to lock inside. Water with the ice, money for the ice, I need.
I only got the headliner out. Believe it or not, it wasn't that hard. One question I was gonna have was how was I gonna get it out? And I basically pulled it out from the back door. Wow, yeah, that was easiest. And just a little cut right here, you know, but that's cool. It's styrofoam. It's a little bit, a little crap. But yeah, it's out now, so I'm gonna be installing that mod to start out the roof. Yeah. This is the kit that I purchased to do the Cordova. Dear customer, we hope you are satisfied. Have a satisfied order. If you get a chance, please help us by writing an opinion about the product on Amazon. Yeah, this would be any help. You know, they even offer me. Yeah, this is the kit. They have different ones. They have like 300 stride, 300, 250, 150. The number got to do with more stars in the roof. So I purchased the 300 kit. So you know, anybody can do it, but it's how it's going to be done. Like, you know, if it's done correctly, it's going to look nice and flawless. You know, when mine get done, it's going to look really nice and really flawless. So just stay tuned. I'm going to be able to change the settings. Yes. Got the different mode. Oh, I wanted to fade out. I wanted to jump. Yeah. I wanted to breathe. Flash. Stars in the roof.
I had 2 razors, cell phone, sleeping on the floor. Mama said I sell drugs, she gon' kick me out the door. I'm getting O's for the 6, so just show me to the door. I want that cocaine, white, that stick shift in the flow. My connect was old school, he hit the bricks in the flow. I want the Bentley just because I need Da Vinci just for show. I don't care about the time, protect my wrist with the glow. These chickens got the same story, she sucking dick. She's a hoe, don't really care about what happened, don't ask me shit. I don't know, in high school I had braids, I played ball and rock.
So here's the fiber. I'm gonna poke the holes. I'm gonna put these through the holes. I'm gonna leave this plastic on here. Came with the plastic on it. Starter piece. Leave that on there so it won't go real crazy. It don't look like a lot, but this is a lot. It's 300 piece. All right, so I'm basically done. I had to put like some type of glue. I had some old Flex Seal laying around. I used this shit. So glue each little spot I had. I don't know if I got all of them. But you gotta glue this like the spot right there so that they don't like slide out, I guess, I would believe. So I'm gonna let this dry, then next thing you know, I'll be putting it back in the car. About to reinstall the roof here, start putting shit back. Whew. Make sure all the wires is right. Yeah. This plastic piece that. Got it all back in. All I gotta do is put the handles in the back, but I ain't really worried about that. That's easy. It's all back in. Now it's just time to trim. So I got mine running to battery in the trunk. I had put some extra wire on it. I don't really got it connected because I got it connected, but I don't got batteries for my remote to turn it on and off. So I just got it. Just gonna show you how it looks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My man Hemi like to say, yes, sir. That thing look good. Yes, sir. Ooh, that thing looking good. Woo. Woo. That thing. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Little stars in the roof pop, you know, lay back, you know? Uh-huh. Yeah, that thing look good in there. That thing look good, baby. Make a wish. You know, little Ryan's belt. Little Ryan's belt, E.T. Yeah, baby. Yeah, just let y'all know right now. Mm-hmm. I put it in any car. I could do it in any car. Starting price $300. 300 lights. I ain't gonna do no less because it's not gonna look right. You know. You know what I'm saying? Look at the stars. You know, I got the Kobe right here. I got the K, the O, the B. You know what I'm saying? The E. You know what I'm saying? Little Kobe, Joe. You. Reaching on the stars. Wonder where you are. Now looking for every rainbow that I see. You know what I'm saying? I'm wishing on a star. Follow where you are. You know what I'm saying? You know, you ain't gotta have a race, baby. You know? And I still got the roof. You still see the roof. I got the roof right there, you know. You know, it's simple, baby. That thing really, I'm proud of myself, man. You know, this is crazy, man. I'm really proud of myself. And it really make the insides look crazy. Like, it really had your inside looking real, like, yo, shut the fuck up. Like, yo, you can get out. You know what I'm saying? This shit really make it, it's like, this shit got the insides lit. Step up, step back on this motherfucker. Hold it.
I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means. I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means. And I wish on all the rainbows that I've seen. I wish on all the people who